Hey y'all, come visit the chicken. Y'all, come on in and check out what's new. The girls have an indoor dining area along with a pretty good sized roost. We've added some curtains and accessories to the decor along with some family photos. We've added some cute little curtains to the nesting boxes so that they can have a little privacy when they start laying eggs. Now let's head outside to the covered veranda where they also have a dining area. Also on the veranda they have plenty of toys to keep them occupied to assure that they never get bored. They're covered just in case they feel musical. They have a swing, a dust bath, a roost, and more toys. How lucky can a girl be to have her own doorman that opens and closes her door automatically in the morning and at night? This is our 35-gallon water supply. The water barrel continuously feeds these water nipples up underneath the coop. Yes, that's right, Brownie. Don't look at me that way. I said nipples. And now, out on the open veranda, we have a grazing bed. The girls just love dining at their picnic table. You can never go wrong with flowers. Thanks for visiting our chicken. Y'all come back now.